In this video, I'll make some terrain with the Sandbox tools, give the terrain volume with an extension, import a DWG file with contour lines, and drape that DWG file onto the terrain. Click on Create a Sandbox from Scratch. Explode it. Then click on Smoove. Notice it has a 30-foot radius, and I can make that bigger. Let's make it 200 feet. And there's our terrain. Now I'll group it, and with it selected, I'll click on Eneroth Terrain Volume, which is an extension I downloaded from the SketchUp extension warehouse. And it added an arbitrary thickness to it, which of course, if I want, I can go in and push-pull to make it thinner or thicker. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle on top of it and move that rectangle straight up. I'm going to import the AutoCAD file. Import. This is just something I found on the web doing a search for DWG contour drawings. And I will move it so that this aligns with the square. Notice that this is a group and this is a group. I'm going to click on Drape, click on the contours that I want to drape, click on the terrain to drape them onto, now I'll just hide this and hide this so I can see what's going on. And there are the contours. You'll notice I can open the group and then select the areas inside all these contour lines. And with the proper extension tools, I could do some more editing. And there you have it.